In this video, let us perform examples on looping statement. The first example is in this way. Write a program to find the sum of numbers in between 1 to 10. Or you can say in this way also. How we can able to say means or write a program to find the sum of the first 10 numbers. So both are same only. So how to do this particular program? So in order to do this particular program, we need to perform 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. The result is 55. So how we can able to do this particular one to find this sum? So here we have to perform in this way. So the first value is 1. Suppose if we can run our for loop with 1 to 10, the first I value is 1. The second value is 2. So we should perform the previous value and current value. We have to add, and again we need to store the result. So this kind of, again in the next iteration 3, again we need to 3 should be added into the previous result. So this kind of activities we can achieve by using arithmetic assignment operator. So in our previous video we have learnt arithmetic assignment operator. So addition assignment operator, by using addition assignment of plus is equal to, by using this operator we can achieve it. So now we can execute the same in program wise. So we can create one separate package, looping assignments. We can do some basic assignments, we can do it. Sum of numbers demo. We need to specify the main method. So next we need to find out sum of first 10 numbers. So now we can write a for loop now. For int I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to 10, I plus plus. So if we can try to print the numbers, yes, if we can execute, it prints the numbers from 1 to 10. But we have to do for which one? Sum of 1 to 10 numbers. For that purpose, we can declare one variable int sum is equal to 0. So now instead of printing the value, we should perform arithmetic assignment operator. Here sum is equal to sum plus which is the value I, we need to add it. So here we need to print the sum variable, the value stored in a sum variable. Either we need to print in within the for loop or outside the for loop. Suppose if you would like to, we are very much concerned about every iteration result, then print statement we are supposed to provide within the body of the loop. It can be for loop, while loop, do while loop. Suppose we are very much concerned about the final result, not every iteration result, the final outcome. So if that is the case, we should use the print statement in outside of the loop statement. Sum of first 10 numbers. First 10 numbers, it is a sum. If we can execute, it provides the result as the corresponding result, 55. So we have done one first assignment. Second one, write a program to display count of numbers in between 1 to 50 which are divisible by 4. So how to do this particular program? So we need to print the numbers 1 to 50. So among 1 to 50, we need to extract, we need to filter only the numbers which are divisible by 4. How to do this particular program means, again here, again create display numbers divisible by 4. Now we need to specify the main method. Divisible by 4. So now we can, in this case, first we need to run our for loop in for loop from 1 to 50. Int I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to 50, and I plus plus. So again we can analyze the assignment, write a program to display count of numbers. We don't want to print the numbers. We need a count of numbers in between 1 to 50 which are divisible by 4. It means we need to find count of numbers. Count of numbers which are divisible by 4. So now we can provide an if condition. If I modulus 4 equal to 0. So there we need to print the value. So now as soon as if we can execute, it print numbers. See, it prints the numbers called 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So the numbers which are divisible by 4 only it is printing. But as per our assignment, we don't want to display the numbers. We need to display the count of numbers. For that purpose, we need to take one variable int count equal to 0. So instead of printing the numbers, we need to store the count. How we can able to store the count? Again, we need to use addition assignment operator. Count is equal to count plus 1 I need to provide, because we are concerned about count, not for the total sum. If you want to in order to get a sum, we need to provide plus I, because currently we need a count. That's the reason count is equal to count plus 1 we need to provide. So now, because we need a count result, that's the reason we need to print the print statement the outside of the for loop. Count of numbers. So we need to print the count. If we can execute, so it prints the numbers. There are 12 numbers are available in between 1 to 50 which are divisible by 4. The next example we'll try to perform. Third one, Fib series. Fib means Fibonacci series we need to do. Fibonacci series. So it means that write a program to display the first 10 Fibonacci numbers. So how to do this particular program? Fibonacci numbers are in this way: 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, again it is 1, it become 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, next 34, the next value is 55, so the next number is 89. So these are nothing but Fibonacci numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 12 Fibonacci numbers we are printing. So how it was executing means, here first number Fn is equal to 0 and second number is equal to 1. The third number is equal to the sum of first number plus second number. That indicates the Fibonacci number. So now we will try to execute the Fibonacci number now. Suppose with respect to fourth number is equal to which was my previous number result, means third number, it should be the second number, and the second number should be in the first number. Sn plus Tn only we need to do. Which was my second number, that should be the first number with respect to fourth number, and which was my result, that should be the second number. So similar way we need to find out all the numbers. Suppose if we need to make it as a fifth is equal to which was my second number, that is a third number, which was my result previously, that is the fourth. So in this only we need to find out the Fibonacci numbers. So now we can write a program now. FIBO Fibonacci numbers. We'll try to print the value now. So first number, so I need to take int fn is equal to 0, int sn is equal to 1. So first we need to print fn, first number we need to print, second number also we need to print second number. So now we need to write a for loop. So for loop we need to run for iteration, int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, and I plus plus. We would like to print, including first and second, the additional 10 Fibonacci numbers we would like to print. So Tn is equal to Fn plus Sn. So next case, so as per this particular idea, previously which was my second number, that should be the first number. Fn is equal to Sn and Sn is equal to Tn. Now we can print the value now, Tn. So as soon as if we can execute, so int, we need to provide the value called int. So since I didn't declare the third number variable, that's the reason it was printing. So now it was printing the same Fibonacci number, which one? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55 and 89. The same numbers what we expected, the same numbers only it was printing. In the next assignment, the fourth one, verify the given number is prime or not. Write a program to verify the given number is prime or not. So what is the meaning of prime? Prime number, the number which is divisible by 1 and itself alone. 1 and itself alone, that is called the prime number. Apart from 1 and itself, it should not divisible by any other number, that is called the prime number. So how we can able to, idea is fine, we have understood about the definition of the prime number. Now we need to convert this one into program. So how we can able to convert this one into program means, so suppose if we can take any number called 8, so we have to exclude 1 and we have to exclude 8 in between 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number 8, apply modulus with each number. What are the each number? 2, 3, 8. So you need to perform 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way, for each the given number 8, it has to be modulus by 2. First, if it provides a remainder as 0 means yes, it is divisible by other number. Apart from 1 and itself, it can divisible by other number, then it's not a prime number. So this is the kind of idea we need to apply. So for that purpose, we need to write a one program prime number demo. So again we need to type the main method now. So first int flag equal to 0. So what is the purpose of flag? Just it is a variable. So by default it is 0. Wherever it is divisible, okay, then immediately, okay, we need to increment the flag. That is the idea we need to apply. So int num is equal to, we can provide 13 or any number you can provide. So now we can run a for loop now for int I is equal to 2, because we need to exclude which one? First number. And I less than num, because we should not consider the same number. Apart from one and itself, other number we need to consider. So now we can apply the if condition. If num modulus I equal to 0. So if any one of the number is satisfied this particular condition, immediately we can increment the flag plus 1. And what is the necessity? You need to verify with some other number. Yes, we can able to use break statement. So now we can apply the if condition here. If flag equal to 0. If flag is always 0, suppose one particular number, the flag is not at all incrementing, it means that is a prime number only. Is a prime number. Else it's not a prime number. Is not a prime number. First we can execute 13. Okay, 13 is a prime number. Now we can change this particular value. So we can go with the 21. So 21 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 3 also, 7 also is not a prime number. Suppose if we can take one number called 23. Yes, 23 is a prime number. Suppose if we can take 27. 27 is a prime number. Yes, it's not a prime number because 27, it is divisible by 9. So in this way we can verify whether the given number is prime or not. So we have completed about 4 assignments. Thank you.